I'm going to show you how to set up your pen tablet for modeling in Blender. So I'm just going to pull up my pen properties here. Now I'm using a Wacom Intuos Pro. Doesn't matter what tablet you're using, as long as your stylus has 2 buttons on it. Now for those of you with a Wacom, just make sure under Tools you have the grip pen selected, and under Application you have Blender selected. Now if you don't see Blender in the list here, just head on over to the button on the side here and select Blender and hit OK. Now I'm going to assign the middle click to the button at the bottom here and right click to the button right above that. Now let's head back into Blender. Now the question might arise as to how one might go about zooming in and out of their model without a scroll wheel. So all you have to do is hold down Control and hold down the button you assigned the middle mouse button to on your stylus and drag in order to zoom in and out. And the rest of the functions are pretty much the same. Just hold down Shift and middle mouse to pan, middle mouse button to tumble in the viewport, and Alt and middle mouse button to snap to different views. Now you might be wondering as to why on earth one would want to model with their pen tablet and not stick to their mouse, and the reason for this is injury risk reduction. Now, if you're going to be working professionally, you're going to be spending 8 to 9 hours, 5 days a week, and depending on where you live, sometimes even 6 days a week modeling. And over the years, you're going to start to rack up certain repetitive stress injuries. So in order to reduce that, I would recommend modeling with both the stylus as well as the mouse, and just switch between the two whenever you feel like your hand is starting to cramp. Now, one thing to note is while using the pen tablet, make sure you're not flicking your wrist and make sure you're using your elbow to move across the surface of the tablet while working. And that way, it will hopefully help you reduce the risk of injury. Alright, so I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.